We're black. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're back again for our YouTuber special shout out.
Our big up segment for you.
Our the big up segment.
Anyone that the big up segment kind of sound, Jamaican style.
Yeah.
Could run right now, don't.
So today we're going to be shouting out small YouTubers, big YouTubers, mini YouTubers, just start YouTubers who want to comment over here. We're gonna call a name today. So yeah, you have big, small, mini. Me feel like me I'm a mini YouTuber right now. But littler than small. Yeah. So we're gonna be highlighting some persons who have commented on our page. Them come over and watch and show some support. And we'll be putting the links to the supporters who have been supporting us continuously or consistently under or in the comment section. So I'm gonna put a link down there. Please don't feel no way. May I acknowledge it in this video so you're over and you're watching support, but we'll highlight some specific people.
Small YouTubers.
Yeah, especially the small ones who come over all the time, come watch the videos then. So, without no further ado, that's what I pronounced, right?
Yeah.
Let's get into it. So the first person is Time with Rochelle. Girl.
Kiki though.
Yeah man, Kiki and Rochelle over there going with themselves bad. Especially the soda prank with you. When I have to go watch that festival, but I put the link.
You don't watch the soda prank. You understand what
Me especially, I will put the soda prank link right down there. So. Next person, Devontae. Small YouTuber new. I think him just started a month ago or two. Yeah, I'm going with himself for them. Do one pepper challenge today. I'm missing my bite some pepper. Me? Nah, I don't know about him.
No,
Me not do that. I mean,
yes, ma'am.
stop kick the ring light. Alright, next, Sweetex Mala. Now, Sweetex Mala is a kids channel, guys. If you want to have a look at young kids on the one.
What's that?
Aww.
So, Sweetex Mala is a kids friendly channel. You know, one little young girl that do her thing. So you can run the check her out. Then 2 years. I know I'm not a favorite. But now see which was a favorite, but they want my favorite too. Forever, Chef and Jay. I know some of my friends from college, but I think he would have over there killed Jay with a prank them, but obviously Jay over there killed him. Prank them epic. I'll link one of my favorite on them right down here. She make him underwear disappear at the pool. Right on this one. You never watch that?
You not try that?
No, that's that may have got too much public places that I hate me. The next person is Shakira Dunkley. So when you want a little motivational, inspirational, something. I want to see her with the channel when did I do the song association.
Right
over there. So next person is 4C Rush. Now if people just start back with a little air journey, you know. Yeah. You can go over there so. She talk about braiding, ear treatment, all the good stuff there. She drop a video with you about her natural ear journey. It is nice. I'm gonna link it right down here. So. Next person is Alex Cat Eyes. This is for us. New YouTuber. She done this she talk about, well, she said her channel would entail beauty, you know, like about being a mommy, you know, all sort of something, the things when you go through as being a mother, I'm not lying. People always think that being a mommy is so perfect and when they're going to be so precious and cute. Go over there, so, you know, if you want to the next slide about pregnancy.
Next, we have Cooking with the Bling.
Cooking with Bling. Yeah. So yeah.
Cooking with Bling.
Cooking with Bling, our cooking channel. But then there's some nice wings over there. And the one like KFC style, something. If you have a better like me, go on over this one.
Next we have Priya, Indian vlogger in Germany. Yeah. So, next we have one of this Jerk Bird. Yo, the one that I game up. Isn't it?
It's all like one food channel, don't
Yeah, but I
it?
game. Then we have JM Family.
Big up on yourself.
Yeah. Then we have Blessed Family.
Big up yourself.
Then we have Nichols, of course.
Nichols channel have some work for different levels, variation of things and things over there. It's when you want a different kind of sense of humor,
Yeah, check out Nichols.
go on over there.
The CSC Family.
Yeah. You have Island Mommy, again, an next channel where I thought, well, you know, to be able to this, to that, all of us up.
Then we have Anne's Cooking and More.
And next food channel, and I can go over them, over the superstar.
Okay.
You have O'Neill's World. Now, that brother, in my film friend, if ever going some badness on the road, some epic little something, you can go and go check him out. Sean and Michael TV. Yeah. Next small YouTuber can run over and check them out.
Yeah.
You have Cooking with Mr. Brown again, and next cooking channels I explain what on here who love them better like me, who want to know to cook over there for you to go.
Yeah, we'll take that one.
No man, you know you can. You know.
Alright, so next we have Inspirational by Marie.
Again, our next channel will be a whole for inspiration to talk about God, this, that. Once you want a little motivation, run over this. So.
Yeah. And then we have Raquel's Lifestyle, JMTT. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a Trinidadian YouTuber. Yeah, go check.
Jamaican and Trinidad.
Well, she is a Trinidadian.
Yeah. And next,
We have Puppy Show T.
No, Puppy
Oh,
Show J.
Puppy Show J. I
Yeah.
told him I Puppy Show TV and Puppy Show J.
Yeah.
No, you want to feel my for some ever have some little nice skits. You know them talk about relationship and all these, and the skit them based on relationship. Them really nice. So you can run over and check them out.
Then we
No.
have. You want it?
Yes, let me do that one. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. The Double D family. No. Me always over this. Me not always wait for comment because I'm busy. You know, me at work and can't necessarily drop a comment, but I must hit the like button. But for weeks, me in here sing big but you only song big but you if the legit annoyed him, I must ban me from watch, but can't stop that. NTU. Yeah, I'm keeping up with Dahlia. Girl, go and big up yourself. Stop laughing up it up. Sure. And they have them two
Jamaican.
nice people here. You can see them.
A Jamaican grand family.
Listen, remember the day. I can't remember my wife's name right now. Jesus, her name started with R. But I remember the day when she take off the tire off of him car as a prank. Jesus, I didn't want to sleep me. But yes, you can go over there and check them out. Nice people, them. Always there, give her support and all these things. And then you have,
Chairs and Benches TV.
yeah. This is our next channel now where good stuff going over there. Many of me I can't find about the link, but when our boyfriend prank her said him throw the baby off of the balcony.
Oh, it.
That
Yeah.
is epic.
Scratch the rib and start crying.
Epic. You want to share a tip? You know, I forgot about the watch and stuff. So go on over, go check out Chairs and Benches. And then you have
Fun Time 876.
next channel. Then you have Super Active Family. Now they make kind of frighten me, you know, but we don't have to go with it. I'm not get the cat out of the bag. When I say frightened, I just prank them. The challenges that them do, I'm not. I'm sorry. It's very serious. So I want to run over and check them out.
Yo, the next one, We Are Young
We
Family.
are a young family.
Yo.
You know, Jamaicans based in Cayman. You can go check them out. And they have
Jamming with Mexi Jam.
and next you know, good YouTuber, can remember go check them out. Your Jamaican girl, Mia Williams.
Yeah.
Small YouTubers again, guys, you know, run go over, go check them out, check out them videos. If you like them, you know, subscribe, like, tell them, say, 876&chill. Say no. Cool? Cool.
So, O'Neill's remix.
O'Neill's World. Oh, that repeat 2 times. Yeah, and then me tell you, so then everybody put out them little thing. Yeah.
Alright, we have Hotel
Entertainment. Now, we woke up on them people here recently. They have one little buzz over there. No. We did the one video with our friend with him. When she tell her friend, say, no man, I can't do the video, they need to go be a smell stick. Which that other friend also has a YouTube channel. It is called Stiff Breast Entertainment. No guys, it's not what you think. They're not over there showing porn.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
But when I think about stiff breast, that come to your mind?
They
So
call
some look for me
Magnum
like...
stiff breast, so...
I never know that.
Yeah.
And the bag juice, them alone, them used to call so.
Good, they could have referred to bag juice.
Anyways, but this is stiff breast entertainment. It can't be mango entertainment or bag juice entertainment.
Yeah.
Alright, back to the big up, back to the shout out segment.
RJ and J's TV.
Yeah. The one with next one.
Homeo TV.
You know, big up for yourself, guys. Thanks for the support.
We have Cassandra Jensen.
Yeah. Big up yourself. Thank you for supporting 876&chill, Sean and the family.
Shane and the family.
Oh, sorry. Shane and the family TV. One big up on yourself. We see you guys.
Yeah. Then we have Casey and Zaria Squad.
Squad. Big up yourself.
Life with the Blind.
Life with the Blind. Some crazy man people over there. So, Team Cashin.
Alright, next we have Melissa's World.
No, you see, Melissa always over here. I support the thing all the time. No, I can't tell them about them channel here because I'm stop keep the ring light. I can't tell them about them channel here because I do home, I work from home, so I always watch. I watch. From here now is up on the road. So, you know, get from me by everybody.
Pinpoint.
But
yeah.
Melissa's World, let me tell you how I start watching for your channel. I scroll through, but so sometimes YouTube recommend people me I watch. And she did the challenge where she and her, I think it was her boyfriend or her cousin, swap clothes. I laughed till like a week.
Remember, that's why. Tamara recipes.
Again, a next cooking vlog. Can go and go check them out.
Alright, Tashni. What's this? Tashni?
Tashni.
Yeah.
Tashni is another small YouTuber. You can check her out.
And you have Life with
Latte TV. Nice girl. I watch her channel. I like her vibe. Can go check them out. Then you have the Robinson family. Who always come with some challenge when I never said before, like when they wrap themselves in the cling wrap. No. Another one them I want to talk about. I want to talk about the duct tape challenge. That's all I'm going to say. So I'm going to run over the Robinson family. Tell them to 876&chill. 876&chill sent you. Then you have
Come and Life TV.
2 mad people. Look, 2 mad people.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's all I'm going to say. When I can go over and check out the video when them did that try to pull out the plate with the cotton, with the spoon and the blindfold. We didn't like that one day. Then you have the Sassy Diva. Yeah. Next good channel as well. You have Maya Random Vlogs. So as the name suggests, her name is Maya and she does random vlogs.
We have Collab with Shan.
One next nice girl to again. Yeah,
Charms Lifestyle.
Big up on yourself, guys.
Yeah, Mommy Teresa vlog.
I think that was a German. No, not a German on that. Listen, we're gone over 52 persons already. Sometimes when I get mega mixing up like a bit. But yes, it's another channel that you can also check out. Then you have,
Chris Life TM.
yeah, next good channel I can check out.
And Fun Time 876.
Almost a chill.
Don't reach anybody. And you have Danla's Delight JA.
Yeah, you have the S&J family, another family-oriented YouTube channel. You can check them out.
And you have
Ricardo's Kitchen. Improve some NSA wings with you. And if you realize me know about all of the food channel them. Yeah. So, like me say, love a belly gang, run over go check them out.
You have Shanna's Home, DIY and Crafts.
You know, she makes some nice little cute things over there, so you can check her out.
Then we have Passion News TV.
Then that one, the little controversy or something like one.
Santi's Vlogs and Entertainment.
The entertainment over there is hot and heavy.
Then we have Life with Rose and Annie.
Yep, entertainment value up there again.
JA Media, Newland.
Good look channel again, run over the support.
Shen Shen Official.
Shen, big up yourself, thanks for the support. Nice good channel over there, so.
Life as Cali.
Life as Cali. I was over there, so with some little clothing, all this, that. Well, check her out.
And you have Life with, what's this? Sian.
Yeah, Life with Sian again. Run over small YouTuber, check him out.
And you have Life with Toffee. Toffee Anderson.
No, not Toffee Anderson. I see them to her prank with you. Him and him grave and like. She said something specific what did have me in your rule.
Try me more. No.
I'm gonna have a look back for the video and show you. I'll drop the link down below.
Alright. That's Kia's Lifestyle.
Kia's Lifestyle, make up yourself. You know, she have some little entertaining stuff over there where they should post one player with like the Mariana. I did Star Wars? A Star Wars? No, never Star Wars. I did one reenactment or something. I don't remember. I drop a link down below.
Alright. The official deed of the world.
Official. Oh, I remember who that? No. Again, very good channel.
Then we have Majestic Love.
Good couples channel as well. We're back at Stiff Breast Entertainment. Yeah, I'm telling her I want to check out that one there.
Sweet Fam.
Nice little channel again, entertainment value up there.
The BHFB family.
Family vlogs. Carry over and check them out.
And then, last but not least on our list, the
funniest
unfunny guy.
Now, impose some little videos over there where I just feel cheer, like it's 2 minutes of just comedy. So guys, I hope you like this video, guys. Please run over and check out the links below of these small YouTubers that has been supporting us, and we'd like to return the favor because they have been here supporting us. So guys, look down below.
Look for the link them. Right there so. Look right there so.
Right
Right there so. Right.
No, I'm not saying that. And just run over and show them some love. Make them know the 876 and chill send you. Guys, don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. Guys, check me up on Snapchat because over there I go on with myself.
Snapping away.
But until next time,
Peace.
bye.
Welcome back to the Big Up segment. Yeah, so welcome back to the Big Up segment.
No, but you want to wear black.
Oh,
I
so
think
say.
almost wear back, wear black.
So say.
Say it together. 1, 2, 3.
We are
We're
black.
black. Not we are black, dead someone, man.
We are black. You know that video, right?
Yes.
So you can use it as bloopers now.
I'm not type it as damn bloopers. Some smell nice like roses.
Right,
Yeah.
and then
Oh, you have to like dry it out. Come now.